In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to remove account restrictions on Facebook. Make sure to follow all the steps carefully, as skipping any part may prevent this method from working correctly. First, open your Facebook app and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open a menu with different options for your account settings. From here, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on the drop-down menu and then select Settings. After entering the Settings menu, look at the top for the Account Center option and click on it. Inside the Account Center, scroll down to Personal Details and select it. Then, navigate to Identity Confirmation. Here, you will see an option to confirm your identity. Click on Confirm Your Identity and follow the instructions provided. This step is crucial because Facebook often restricts accounts that need identity verification. Confirming your identity will let Facebook know that you are the legitimate owner of the account. Once your identity has been confirmed, go back to the main settings section. From here, open the drop-down menu again and click on Help and Support. Inside the section, you will find an option called Report a Problem. Click on it. Facebook may now ask you to shake your phone to indicate that you encountered an issue. This is a quick way for Facebook to log the problem you are facing. After shaking your phone, take a moment to be patient. Facebook will review your account and should automatically address the restrictions applied to it. Depending on the nature of the restriction, this process may take a few minutes to a few hours. Once Facebook resolves the issue, you should be able to use your account without limitations. Following this method carefully is the safest and most reliable way to remove account restrictions without risking your account security. Remember to always confirm your identity accurately and report the problem if you notice any ongoing issues. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively lift restrictions on your Facebook account and regain full access. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more easy to follow tech tutorials. Happy Facebook using!